pupillary distance and the techniques. The objective is to learn how to perform the proper techniques and procedures when measuring the distance between each pupil. The technique will be taught for binocular and monocular measurements for both distance and near. All you will need is a measurement PD ruler marked in millimeters, approximately 6 inches long. The technique involves the distance of about 40 centimeters or 16 inches. And we are ready to begin. You will first need to make sure that you are sitting directly in front of the patient and that you are nose to this patient. Being at the same level is extremely important as to not create the wrong measurement. Then you will grab your ruler and slightly bend it and align it to the outer limbus at the same time as you will close your right eye, and you will instruct the patient to look at your left open eye. You will then take a glance at the patient's left eye at the same time while maintaining your left eye open. Where the line intersects the inner limbus is your near pupillary measurement. Please note that number. You will next ask the patient to look at your other eye. You will now open your right eye and close your left eye. When the patient looks at your right eye, which is your open eye at the moment, you will note the number where it intersects the inner limbus. And that is your distance pupillary measurement. It is extremely important that you start like this as the examiner. Your right eye will be closed and your left eye will be open. This is to make sure that you are lining the zero of the ruler with the patient's outer limbus. So make sure that when you are doing this, that you start the technique like this. I am now going to show you the patient so that you can see what the patient will look like. I am behind the camera as to demonstrate. Straight head, please. As to demonstrate that the zero should be lined up with his outer limbus. Please look straight at the camera. Thank you. And at this moment in time, my left eye is open and my right eye is closed. Then I will ask the patient to switch and look at my other open eye over here. And then you note where that patient has his inner limbus. Look at me, please, sir, my open eye. Thank you. My other open eye, and if you notice, his eyes will look, they're a little high because I'm standing. And they will move, and those are the different distances. This next procedure is only to let you know what you should be instructing the patient. Things are different. We are not going to do this entire explanation when we are actually performing the test. Sir, just look at me straight at my open eye, please. And now my other open eye. One more time. Notice how the ruler doesn't move. Only your point of reference as to where the patient is going to look. Thank you.